Hello learners, in this video we are going to learn Ctrl plus 1 to 9 shortcut keys in Excel. These shortcuts are easy to understand and it helps to save your time. Okay, let's see how to use these shortcuts. For your understanding, I type all the Ctrl plus 1 to 9 shortcuts in left side of the Excel sheet. In middle of the Excel sheet, I have an example to explain these shortcuts. First, we have Ctrl plus 1. Ctrl plus 1 is used for open format cell dialog box. I select a data and press Ctrl plus 1. It open format cell dialog box. In format cell dialog box, we have different categories like font, borders, fill, numbers and alignment. By using this tool, we can modify our data for our comfort. In upcoming days, I will separately make a video for format cell. Now I close the dialog box. Next I move on to the Ctrl plus 2. Ctrl plus 2 is used for bold. Now I press Ctrl plus 2. The font is changed into bold. Again press Ctrl plus 2. The bold is removed. Next we have Ctrl plus 3. Ctrl plus 3 is used for Italic. I press Ctrl plus 3. The font is changed into Italic. Again press Ctrl plus 3. The Italic font is removed. Ctrl plus 4 is used for Underline. Just I press Ctrl 4. The selected font is underlined. Again I press Ctrl 4. The underlined font is removed. Next we have Ctrl plus 5. Ctrl plus 5 is used for strike through. I just press Ctrl plus 5. The selected data is strike through. And again I press Ctrl plus 5. The strike data come into normal. Next we move on to Ctrl 6. Ctrl 6 is used for hide object. I go to insert tab and press illustration. Then I press shape. So I can choose any of the shape. The shape is now created. So this is the object we can hide by pressing Ctrl plus 6. I just press Ctrl plus 6. The object is now hide. Again press Ctrl 6. The object is now visible. So next we move on to Ctrl plus 8 because Ctrl plus 7 don't have any shortcuts. So Ctrl plus 8 is used for hide outline symbol. So I just select all the rows 1 to 11. Then I go to data tab. Then I click symbol outline. Now you can see the left side scale. You press minus, the data is hide. You can press plus, hidden data is now visible. Now I want to hide the scale. So by pressing Ctrl plus 8 you can hide the scale. And again press Ctrl plus 8 you can unhide the scale. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we move on to Ctrl plus 9. Ctrl plus 9 is used for hide rows. So you just press Ctrl 9 so you can hide the row. Next we have Ctrl plus 0. Ctrl plus 0 is used for hide column. Just you press Ctrl plus 0 you can hide the column. I hope you understand all the Ctrl plus 1 to 9 shortcuts in Excel. If you like this session, please hit a like button guys. It's motivate me to make more Excel videos. Bye to all. Have a good day. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss another updates.